Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back again in the English class. Dear student, in our previous class we have completed our chapter 2 that was the song of the first shower, and I hope you all have understood it very well, and I guess my active student, you all may have learned the spelling properly. You have seen that difficult words and learn the meaning also. Now today in this class we are continuing the chapter by doing different exercises that is in the book. So dear student, it is the time when the self study is very important to all of you. Don't neglect it, don't ignore it. Try to see yourself and think that, I have to study. I have to study for myself, not for my father, not for my mother, not for my teachers, not for my friends. The study is for me. The concept of this, the thinking concept of this should be inside your mind, and you have to revise all the things in all subjects, revise all those things that you have learned till this time, so that you may not get forget all those things and that may remain fresh in your mind. That is all you can do in this very critical situation. Now let us move to our exercise. This is the exercises. It is vocabulary. As you know already, word meaning you have to learn. You have to understand the meaning. Now, this is about the author, the writer of the story. She is Subhadra Sengupta. She is from Delhi, and you may collect more information seeing your internet and make a very beautiful note on her, a short note on her, so that you may have more information about her. Now let us see the meaning. Bask. Number one, bask. lie down in relaxed manner. बास्क का मतलब होता है कि हम लोग बास्क का स्पेशली टू टेक रेस्ट, टू बी इन रिलैक्स्ड पोजीशन अंडर द रेज ऑफ सन, जो धूप में रहना एकदम आराम तरीके से, इसको हम लोग बास्क कहते हैं. Ladles, large round deep spoons with long handles. In the story already, as I have told you, it is a metal disc which carry a long handle for long pots, and it is heavy too. It has a round shape at the edge, and it is curved, and we use it for just stirring different vegetables inside the pot. Now trilled, sang in a short high note. ये भी कहा है मैंने कि आवाज़ थोड़ा ऊपर करके गाना, कोई भी गाना को आवाज़ निकालना. Laced his fingers, intertwined the fingers of both hands together. दो हाथ का जो औंला होता है, फिंगर्स, उसको एक आपस में ऊपर नीचे करके अपने काख में, लैप में रख के बैठना. Approving note, to give the positive answer. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हेड को हम लोग अप्रूवल के मूवमेंट में, येस के मूवमेंट में हम लोग उसको मूव करना. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द ऑथर एंड सम vocabularies that you have to learn. And student, you must write this in your copy and learn the meaning, so that you may enrich your knowledge more. Now let us move to the exercise. This is your task that you are already familiar about it, taking the correct options. It is also very important because it carries a very beautiful information about the story. Now let us see, and let us see number 1. Salim helped his father by number A, number B, number C, number D. There are 4 options. As you already know that how to do it, you can try this. Now let us move to 3, 4. These are all the questions. Salim's desire was to learn classical music, stand behind the stoves and cook food, fly kites with his friend, peel onions faster than he was doing at present. Maybe the correct answer is number A, learn classical music, isn't it? Now number 3, answer this with reference to the context. हम लोग कंटेक्स्ट जो स्टोरी है उसके माध्यम से हम लोगों को इसका आंसर देना है. द स्टेटमेंट इज गिवन, नो सर आई हर्ड दैट समवेयर. नाउ फर्स्ट, सर इन द अबव स्टेटमेंट refers to Salim's father, the tall man. According to the reference to the context को मध्य नज़र रखते हुए, and this statement हम लोग ये किसने कहा है, शायद वो लिखना है. You may understand it properly, just try to do it. Number D में both A and C, don't get confused. Now let us move to another 4 and 5. Raga Bhairavi and Raga Malhar are names of Indian musicians, old Hindi films, Indian classical ragas, Indian musical instrument. You are very smart student, active, and I know that you know it very well if you have heard the story sincerely, carefully. The man was dash himself. तो आदमी कौन था उसको वहाँ ब्रैकेट में लिखना है. अकबर बादशाह था, मियाँ तानसेन था, a minister of Akbar था, या disciple of Tansen. You have to see the proper option and write there. Now let us move. Fill in the blanks with the relevant words from the story. Story से जो word मिलता है, और you can add your own also from outside also you can write it. यहाँ पे क्या करना है, कुकिंग प्रोसेस में हम लोग क्या क्या एक्टिविटी करते हैं उसके नीचे में लिखना है. फूड आइटम्स से इंग्रेडिएंट्स क्या क्या ज़रूरत पड़ता है वो लिखना है. यूटेंसिल बर्तन हम लोग क्या क्या यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग उसको लिखना है. फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल टेल यू. नंबर 1, कुकिंग प्रोसेस, पीलिंग है. हम लोग के पास जो स्टोरी में स्लाइसिंग है, चॉपिंग है, हम लोग वॉशिंग भी कर सकते हैं क्योंकि कुकिंग प्रोसेस में धोना भी पड़ता है. और फ्राइंग हम लोग फ्राई भी करते हैं. दिस आर ऑल द प्रोसेस ऑफ कुकिंग, सो यू कैन राइट अंडर इट. फूड आइटम्स, इंग्रेडिएंट्स मसाला क्या क्या चाहिए हम लोगों को, ऑनियंस, गार्लिक, clove, this all ingredients you can write it under the section. Utensils भी हम लोग पता है, you can write it. Now let us move to another part of the exercise. Number C. Salim sat with a pile of onions. Circle the correct group names within the bracket. Now this is the circle correct group names. Group names का मतलब we have learned noun, and you may be familiar with collective noun in your junior classes. There are 5 kinds of noun. One of them it comes collective noun. The name, group name, noun को group दिया जाता है, group name दिया जाता है, that is called collective noun. So यहाँ पे दिया है number 1, a dash of actors, crew, choir of actors, a company of actors. Crew, ship, choir, singers, company, maybe company is there. Number 2, a dash of rulers, a gang of, a regiment of, a dynasty of. गैंग तो नहीं हो सकता है, रेजिमेंट भी नहीं हो सकता है, बाकी क्या है, यू हैव टू चूज इट एंड यू हैव टू टिक इट एंड यू हैव टू राइट द करेक्ट आंसर. Now let us move to D. Answer this question. Answering the questions, it is very important because it carries all the information of the story. Where did Salim live? What did his father do? What was being cooked that day? So these are all the questions. and the questions, total number of questions, it is uh, it is up to 5. These 5 questions you just try to answer it, so that you may get more information from the lesson. It depends upon how much you have sincerely listened to my class, and you will get the result as you have listened. Why did Salim hear that tune? Why did the man ask Salim to sing? What did the man look like? Why was Salim surprised to know who the man was? What was Tansen famous for? These are all the questions, and beautiful student, you have to do it and make a copy, and after when the school reopens you have to show me. Grammar section we will be doing later on. These are all the literature sections, important exercises that you have to do it. Now today it was the class only for giving homework. This was your writing task giving time. So in our next class we will be talking about other exercises, activities that is related to this chapter 2. So till then, student, stay healthy at home, do your activities, do your study very well. In this very critical time, the self study is very important. You must make yourself prepare, you must make yourself up to date by your own self reading, because if you don't do this, then everything whatever you have learned till this time, that may be erased from your mind. To keep it up to date, to keep it fresh, you have to continue revising all those things that you have learned. So student, keep it in mind and be careful about the situation. Don't give trouble to your parents. Stay healthy and stay active till the time when it all comes to resolution. Thank you everybody.